Ayan, ayan. Anyo in Arnis, the form and expression of Filipino martial arts. Ano nga ba yung Arnis? Arnis is the national martial art and sport of the Philippines. It involves the use of rattan sticks, bladed and unbladed weapons, and hand techniques. It promotes self-defense, discipline, and cultural heritage. Alam ko dito sa Arnis, parang inadapta siya ng Philippines nung 2009. Parang ano na siya eh. National martial arts parang national martial arts ng Philippines. Then ito naman yung mga components of anyo. Single stick, ibig sabihin isang stick lang ginagamit dito, yung parang yung tulad sa mga nakikipaglaban sa yung pag natamaan ka ng isang strike, score na yun kaagad. Yun yung alam ko sa Arnis. Then components of anyo ulit. Weapons, double stick. Sword. Ewan ko kung ginagamit ng sword na to sa Arnis. Then dagger. Next naman, components of anyo. Ayan, iba-ibang steps ng strikes and blocks. Ayan, may kita natin dito, sa may 1, yung attack niya. Pinapakita dito yung attack ng Arnis. Ano siya eh. Naturo na din siya sa amin, pero eto. Step by step naman ito, makikita naman natin dyan. Then, ganun din sa may blocks. Next naman natin sa footwork and rhythm. Makikita natin yan sa YouTube. Sa video natin. YouTube video. I-upload na lang yan sa Google site. Then, ano nga ba yung benefits of anyo? Enhances physical fitness, strength, agility, and flexibility. Ibig sabihin yung physical fitness mo daw, tsaka yung lakas mo, agility, and flexibility. Kumbaga yung Arnis, pinapalakas nun yung strength mo, ganun. Yung bilis mo din. Kasi, dun talaga yung Arnis yung sa pakikipaglaban. Yung bilis talaga yung hinahanap dun. Kasi kung mabagal ka, malakas ka pero mabagal ka, wala din. Kailangan bilis talaga yung inuuna sa Arnis. Kasi, pagkabilis yung pinrioritize mo, parang, ka dun advantage ka na dun. Then, improves coordination, timing, and body control. Then, sa coordination, syempre, mas maganda yung samahan mo ng speed tsaka ng coordination. Yung, kumbaga, yung tamang pag-atake mo sa opponent mo. Builds mental focus, concentration, and perseverance. Promotes sportsmanship, respect, and teamwork among practitioners. Sa lahat ng sports, syempre, kailangan natin yung sportsmanship, tsaka respect, tsaka lalo na yung teamwork para kung kailangan, halimbawa kung wala kayong teamwork, parang magpe-fail kayo as a team na gumawa kayo ng mga play. Then promotes Filipino cultural heritage and national identity. Develops confidence and performance skills for competitions and demonstrations. Purpose of anyo: to showcase mastery of Arnis techniques through artistic and structured movements. To demonstrate precision, rhythm, balance, and coordination in offensive and defensive actions. To develop self-discipline, focus, and confidence in performing martial art forms. To serve as a creative expression of the Arnis practitioner's skill and individuality. And last one, to highlight that Arnis is not only about combat but also about discipline, control, and artistry. Yan lang po. Thank you.